I just finished fully servicing this vintage Jaeger LeCoultre recital 8-day alarm clock. Very nice condition. And this has the recital movement inside, which was the most complicated movement that they made for their alarm clocks. And it's a 24-hour alarm. And what that means is, so I have the alarm set at 1700 hours, which is 5 o'clock. And the alarm will go off at 5 p.m., but it will not go off at 5 a.m. as most alarm clocks do. The alarm goes off every 12 hours. This also has the recital feature, and that means the alarm will repeat or recite once every 24 hours without having to wind or do anything. Let me advance the time so you can see how this works. It also has the night and day indicator, which is the wheel underneath the hour hand. Nice loud alarm. And then to show you that the alarm will not go off at 5 a.m., but it will go off automatically again. I say around 5 p.m. because I don't have the alarm thing set right. A very nice vintage Jaeger LeCoultre 8-day recital alarm clock in very nice condition. Take care.